Brilla, 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 Brilla toys.
Let us do a puzzle. Let us take out all the wild animals, keep them aside, and then try to put them one at a time. Lion, leopard, bear, tiger, fox, hyena, wild boar, rhinoceros. Would you like to know more about the wild animals?
This is a lion. Lion lives in the jungle. Lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lion has strong muscular body. Lion has golden yellow to yellowish brown fur. Male lion has a mane. A male lion is called lion. A female lion is called lioness. A baby lion is called cub. A group of lions is called pride. Lion lives in the den. Lion eats flesh of other animals. This is a leopard. Leopard lives in the jungle. Leopard has light yellow or golden fur covered with rose-shaped black markings called rosettes. Leopard has a large skull, sleek, powerful body, and short legs with a long tail. Leopard is an excellent swimmer. Leopard spends most of the time in trees. A male leopard is called leopard. A female leopard is called leopardess. A baby leopard is called a cub. Leopard eats the flesh of other animals. Leopard lives in the cave. Black leopard has black fur with rosettes. Snow leopard has smoky gray fur with black rosettes. This is a bear. Bear lives in the jungle. Bear has a large body, stocky legs, a long snout, paws with claws, and a short tail. Bear has a large brain. Bear can run very fast and are also good at swimming. Bears have excellent sense of smell, sight, and hearing. A male bear is called boar. A female bear is called sow. A baby bear is called cub. A group of bears is called sloth. Bear eats meat, plant, and honey. Bears live in caves. There are 8 types of bears in the world. There are polar bear, panda bear, American black bear, Asiatic black bear, brown bear, spectacled bear, sloth bear, and sun bear. Polar bear has white fur and is the biggest bear in the bear family. Sun bear is the smallest bear in the bear family. Giant panda is actually a bear. This is a tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Tiger lives in the jungle. Tiger has orange fur with black stripes. White tiger has white fur with black stripes. Tiger has strong teeth and jaws. Tiger has very sharp claws and long whiskers. Tiger is an excellent swimmer. A male tiger is called tiger. A female tiger is called tigress. A baby tiger is called cub. Tiger eats flesh of other animals. This is a fox. Fox lives in the jungle. Fox has long bushy tail and a narrow face. Fox has black tip ears and feet. A male fox is called dog fox. A female fox is called vixen. A baby fox is called kit. A group of foxes is called skulk or leash. Fox eats flesh of other animals, fruits and vegetables. Fox lives in the underground den. This is a hyena. Hyena lives in the jungle. Hyena has very powerful jaws and strong teeth. A baby hyena is called cub. A group of hyenas is called clan. Hyena eats flesh of other animals. Hyena lives in the cave. There are 4 types of hyenas. They are spotted, striped, brown and aardwolf. Spotted hyena has grey or brown fur with black spots. Striped hyena has grey or pale brown fur with stripes. And bushy tail, brown hyena has dark brown fur. Aardwolf has yellowish white fur with dark stripes.
This is a wild boar. Wild boar lives in the jungle. Wild boar's body is covered with double coat of fur that can be brown, red, black or grey. Wild boar has tusks. Wild boar has 4 toes on each foot. Wild boar has long, rubbery snout that is used for digging underground roots and bulbs. A male wild boar is called boar. A female wild boar is called sow. A baby wild boar is called piglet. A group of wild boars is called sounders. Wild boar eats seeds, fruits, leaves, snakes and mice. This is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros lives in grasslands. Rhinoceros has thick, protective, brown or grey colored skin. Rhinoceros has a big horn. Rhinoceros has a large body and a small brain. A male rhinoceros is called a bull. A female rhinoceros is called a cow. A baby rhinoceros is called a calf. A group of rhinoceroses is called a crash. Rhinoceros eats roots, grass and fruits.
Authentic wooden learning toys.